Question 15 involves a bit of fiddling around, quite often grouping, and recognising some patterns such as common factors and sometimes difference of two squares, etc. It's a little bit messy, but important that you can build some skill sets around it. I'll go through 3 or 4 of these with you. First thing I've noticed with this first question is it would pay to gather the terms that seem to be hiding a 25 and an x together. So when I do that, I've got x lots of x squared take 25 plus 2 lots of x squared take 25. Gathering that together, I've got x plus 2 lots of x squared take 25. Now that's difference of two squares, so by recognition x minus 5 lots of x plus 5 there as my answer. A little bit tricky because you've got to initially group together. Now in the case of B, it seems to be 100 is a perfect square, 81 is a perfect square, and there's a common factor I've got of a P that I can pull first. So first up, always in these problems, pull any common factor. Even if it's a negative, it's worth pulling. Now that's the form a squared take b squared. So by recognition, 10p take 9q, lots of 10p plus 9q's is my answer there. Now, the next question's a little nastier because I've got to recognise a perfect square. It takes the form of a plus b all squared. And I've also got, as the whole thing, the difference of two squares. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to call that a, so it's a perfect square, take 4p squared. So it gives me a, take 2p, sorry, lots of a plus 2p. Now, that's the perfect square, 2n plus 1 all squared. Give me 2n plus 1 take 2p, lots of 2n plus 1 plus 2p.